In this video, we will dive into the practical aspects of users and groups in a Linux environment. We will explore what users and groups are, their roles, how to manage them. So let's get started. To begin, let's open up the terminal and log in as a root user or user with a sudo privileges. Currently, I am logged in as a root user. You can check your current user by using whoami command. Here you can see I am currently logged in as a root user. Use Ctrl L to clear the screen. Previously, I have created users and group. So let's try to display their information from their particular file. So to display the content for the user, I will use command like cat/etc/passwd to display the user's information, pipe, grep, then our username. So our username is a user1. Here you can see the information for the user. To display the content of the group, use cat/etc/group pipe grep and group name. So here you can see it is our group and there is no user added into this group. In Linux, users are individuals who interact with the system. Each user has a unique identity and is associated with specific permissions and resources. Users can log in, execute commands, access files, and perform various tasks on the system. Groups, on the other hand, are a collection of users. They provide a way to organize and manage users with similar access requirements. By assigning users to groups, administrator can grant permission and access rights to multiple users simultaneously. In previous videos, we learned about adding users and groups. Now, let's add the user to the group. The command to add a user to a group is usermod -a capital G, then followed by group name and username. So I will use command like usermod -a capital G. Here we are providing group name. Because of that, we are using here capital G. If you want to provide group ID, then you can use small g and specify the group ID. Then group and user. By using the usermod command with the -ag option followed by the group name and username, we can add the user to a specified group. Now let's check if the user has been added into group or not. So we can use command like cat/etc/group pipe grep and our group name. So our group name is group 2. Here you can see the user 2 has been added successfully into the group 2. Now let's explore managing permissions. In Linux, file and directory permissions are associated with the owner, group, and others. Let's create a file and modify its permission. So I will use command like touch myfile.txt. By using touch command followed by the file name, we create a new file called myfile.txt. Use ls-l myfile.txt. You can see the file permission displayed in the long listing format. So the user have read-write permission, the group have read-only permission, and for other users it have read-only permission. To modify the file permission, we use chmod command. For example, to give read, write, and execute permission to the owner, we can use chmod u+rwx myfile.txt. So use similar command like chmod u+rwx myfile.txt. By using chmod command with the u+rwx option followed by the file name, we give read, write, and execute permission to user owner of the file. Use ls-l myfile.txt to verify the permission have been set successfully or not. Here you can see the user have now read, write, and execute permission. Like this, if you want to set a permission for the groups, then what you can do? You can use similar command as before, like chmod. Instead of u, use g. G is used for giving permission to the group. Plus, we are adding a permission. You can use rw to add read, write permission, but group have read permission already, so it is not necessary to add r into this command. We can only use w to add extra permission, then specify the file name. It is myfile.txt. Let's verify the permission. ls-l myfile.txt, and you can see the group have read write permission. That's it for this practical demonstration of users and groups in a Linux environment. We learned that users are individuals who interact with the system, while groups are a collection of users. By creating users, adding them to the groups, and managing file permission, we can ensure proper access control and security on our Linux systems. Practice these commands and concepts to become proficient in user and group management in Linux.